This report wrote itself. I pointed it at a folder of messy receipts and walked away. Here's the whole system, built live in under 20 minutes. Today I'm building a real Claude Code agent for something I actually do every week, and you can copy this exact one tonight. Claude Sonnet 5 shipped just days ago, positioned by Anthropic as cheaper and built for exactly this kind of agent work. No code experience required for what I'm about to do. I'm going to talk to it in plain English. By the end, you'll see exactly what this cost me and whether it's worth your time. Here's the folder. 12 receipts, all different formats, completely unsorted. I told Claude Code exactly what I have and exactly what I want. Read every PDF in this folder. Pull out the vendor, the date, the amount, and a rough category, and save it all into one summary file as a table, sorted by date, with a total at the top. And this is the part that actually matters. It's not just answering, it's writing a real script, running it against the folder, and checking its own output. First result. The 11 receipts came through clean. This one didn't. And here's where it breaks. This is the part every tutorial edits out. That receipt is a scanned image, not real text, so there was nothing to read. Let's fix it live. Add OCR as a fallback for any file where text extraction comes back empty, then rerun the whole folder. That's the actual skill here. Not writing a perfect first prompt. It's knowing how to react when it's wrong. One more pass. Add a one-line summary at the very top. I could paste straight into a message, total spend, and the top category. And there it is, the exact file I showed you at the very start, built from scratch, mistakes included. Same prompt, every single week. This isn't a one-off script, it's a standing tool now. So the actual verdict. Setup time, about 18 minutes. Cost, $0 in extra tools, just Claude Code. Skill required, none. Being specific about the fix mattered more than any technical background. Who should skip this? If you don't have a real recurring file chore, don't build an agent looking for a problem to solve. That's the system. Messy folder in, clean report out. And now you've seen every step, mistake included. I'm putting the exact prompts from this video in the description and in this week's newsletter. Grab them and build your own version tonight. Next week, a different weekly chore, same rules, no cuts, mistakes included.